first lesson of the grade 8 is about the number patterns, right? Number patterns. Number pattern is the first lesson, right? So in this number pattern lesson you will learn what is a number pattern, right? Then how to write the general term of number pattern, right? Even numbers, the multiple, odd numbers, right? Or square numbers, triangular numbers, right? Then how to write the general term, right? And using the general term, finding some terms, right? 20th term, like that, those are, right? So those are the lesson in number pattern topic. Okay, right. එතකොට මේ number pattern කියන lesson එකෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න ගොඩක් table වලට තියෙනවා, right? right. එතකොට මම explain කරා වගේ මොකද්ද number pattern එකක් කියන්නේ, right? ඒකේ කොහොමද general term එකක් කියන එක ලියන්නේ, right? එතකොට ඒ general term එක use කරලා කොහොමද තව එකෙන් එක calculation කරන්නේ, right? අන්න ඒවා තමයි ඕකේ තියෙන්නේ. හරි. Right. So shall we write the topic? Right. Number patterns. Number patterns. Okay. So you have seen so many number patterns. Okay. So first I'll show you number patterns. See, right? Some few number patterns I'm going to show you. See, this is the right. So this is the my presentation, right? So the number patterns. Right now, see this pattern, right? So this is one number pattern. Okay, this one numbers written separate by a comma, right? Numbers written separate by comma, right? So this is a number pattern, right? So can you tell me how many numbers are there? How many numbers? There are 5 numbers. Okay, so that is number pattern, right? Then see this pattern. This is another number pattern. Okay, so this number pattern also has 5 numbers, right? See this one, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that, right? So that is also another number pattern, right? Then see this one, 64, 62, 60, 58, like that, right? So that is another number pattern. So you can see in this first number pattern, okay, can you tell me numbers are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Numbers are increasing, Okay, numbers are in increasing order, right? We say, what is the order?
Descending order.
No, ascending order, right? Ascending. Ascending means small one to big one, right? This number pattern is written in ascending order. Ascending order. See the last number pattern, big one, then become
Descending order.
big one to small one. So this pattern is called, what is the order?
Descending order.
That is descending order, right? So you can write number patterns ascending order or descending order, right? You can write number patterns ascending order or descending order. Both are number patterns, right? Both are number patterns, right? Okay, right. So these are few of the number patterns, right? Right. Now, see, now listen this one, right? So a number pattern means you can see now when numbers, right? So here you can see all are numbers, okay? When numbers are written in certain order, right? So what is the order? Ascending or descending order, right? To a some specific method, right? So here you can later understood uh, what is this specific method. Okay, so what is a number pattern? When numbers are written in certain order to a specific method, right? So go to the first number pattern. So 2, then 4, right? So then 6, then 8. So what are these numbers?
Even numbers.
These are even numbers. Okay, these are even numbers. So specific method is these are even numbers. Okay, right. Then see this third pattern, right? So you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? So what are these numbers? Who can tell?
The numbers divisible by 5.
Yes, that is another answer. These are divisible by 5. So another answer?
Triangular numbers.
No, 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 no.
Numbers multiply by 5.
Yes, Vimal. These are the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. First number pattern. Multiples of
2.
multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So
2.
2, 4, 6, 8 means multiples of 2. In other words, you can tell these are even numbers. Okay. So here these are multiples of 5. So that is the specific order. Right? එතකොට දැන් තේරෙන්න ඕන මොකක්ද මේ number pattern එකක් කියන්නේ කියලා. Right? මොකද්ද number pattern එකක් කියන්නේ? Numbers ලියන්න ඕන මේ numbers written in certain order. Order එකකට ලියන්න ඕන. Order එක මොකද්ද? Ascending or descending, right? So specific method, multiples of 2, right? Or multiples of 5, right? So here another pattern, okay? So later we'll discuss what is this pattern, right? So this one is also multiples of 2, right? So first write this one. write these examples, then write down, put a star mark and write this one. See, this is my number pattern. Okay, now how many numbers I have written here?
5.
5.
5 numbers. Okay, 5 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, right? So this number pattern has only 5 numbers. Okay, so these numbers, right? These numbers we call a name. These numbers are called terms, right? These numbers are called terms, right? මෙන්න මේ numbers වලට කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද අපි දැන් terms. Okay, so this you can see, right? 2 is a number, that is we call term, right? Then 4 is a number, that is called term. 6 another number, that is also a term, right? Like that. 8, 10, those are called terms, right? Those are called terms, right? So what is term? What is a term?
A number.
What is a term?
A number.
Ah,
A number written by a
No. Terms mean numbers in the number pattern are called terms. Yes, numbers in the number pattern are called terms, right? මෙන්න මේ numbers වලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද? terms. Okay, terms mean numbers, right? Numbers of number pattern now we call terms, right? So here 2, that is written in first. 2 is in first, so that is we call, right? So see, so I'll write this one up, then we'll go to that part, right? So please write down this one. Write the number pattern, then what is term. Numbers of a number pattern are called terms, right? So remember, terms mean numbers. Okay, terms mean numbers of a number pattern, right? So these are called terms. So now how many terms?
5 terms. 5 terms.
5 terms, right? දැන් මතකද යන්නේ මම කලින් එමේ මොකද්ද? කලින් මුලින්ම පටන් ගත්තේ කිව්වේ මොකද්ද? How many numbers? දැන් numbers කියලා කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ? terms. Okay, now I'll say 5 terms. 5 terms, right? Now let's see, right? This number pattern again. So here 5 terms. Okay, so this first number, right? This is the first number. Now we call this is first term, right? This is the first term. What is the first term?
2.
First term is 2, right? First term is 2. See, 4, that is written in second, right? 4 is written in second place, so that is called second term. 6 is written in third place, third. That is called third term, right? And 8 is written in fourth place. Fourth, that is called fourth place, right? So 10 is written in fifth place, that is fifth term. Okay, so first term is number written in first, that is called first term, right? Number written in second, that is second term, like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So I'll again say first term is 2, right? Second term is 4, right? So like that. So please mark this one. Write down and mark what is first term, what is second term, what is third term, like that. Right. Right. So you know that now what is term, right? And what is the first term? What is the second term? Like that. Okay. Now see, I'll write another number pattern. Right. See my number pattern. So this is my number pattern, right? So who can tell me what is the first term?
20.
First term is 20. What is the second term?
18.
18 is the second term. What is the third term?
16.
16, like that. Okay. So number written in first term. Number written in second term. Right? So like that. So in your school has term. School has how many terms?
3 terms.
3 terms, right? So 3 terms, right? So ඉස්කෝලේ තියෙනවානේ term තුනක් නේ. First term, second term, third term කියලා. right? ඒවා වෙනම term ඈ. right? ඒවට කියන්නේ අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ වෙන වචනයනේ නේ. ඒතර මේක කියන්නේ වෙන එකක් ඈ. එතකොට දැන් third ඉස්කෝලේ තිබුණ third term එක නැතුව ගියා. නේ? එහෙම එකක් වුණානේ. හරි. right. Now go to the tute. Question number 1 and 2. Hurry up. Write the answers. Question number 1 and 2. Right. So on this paper you can write.
Sir,
Yes.
screen එකේ දාන්න බයි sir.
ඇයි ඉතින් ටියුට් එක ගන්න බෑනේ පුතේ. ඇයි ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ දාන්නේ?
අපතේ නෑ.
ඇයි ඉතින් මං දැන් සති දෙකක් නේ කියලා. නේද? නේද මං දැන් ටියුට් එක ගන්න කියලා සති දෙකක් නේද? එතකොට ගන්න ඕන නේද? මේකේ ඒක මගේ නැහැ. ඒක මගේ වෙන මැෂින් එකක තියෙන එකයි ගැටලුව. Okay, finish.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So tell me, hurry up. right? Question number 1. So I'll ask from Satmi. Satmi, Satmi, you're not answering. I don't know why. Ari. Safa,
Yes, sir.
right. First question, Roman number 1. First term,
2,
second term,
5,
third term,
8.
8. Okay, right, good. Understood? Anitara Terranede. First term, 2.
Yes.
Second term, 5. Third term, 8. Right? So like that. Easy one. Right. Hironi,
Yes, sir.
second question. First term,
1,
second term,
4,
third term,
7.
7. Right? First term, 1. Second term, 4. Third term, 7. Right? So see, in the number pattern, now you have to learn in this type of one. See my presentation, right? Right. Number pattern has finite number patterns. Okay, see, this is my number pattern, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So how many terms?
5 times.
5 terms.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms only, right? So this number pattern has only 5 terms, right? So that means number of terms 5. That is countable. Okay? එතකොට මේකේ තියෙන්නේ terms 5යි. Right? term 5යි කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක count කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ 1 2 3 4 5. Right? So in the number pattern, number of terms are countable. That means number of terms are finite. We say that this number pattern is finite number pattern. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
See another number pattern. 45, 40, 35, 30. Okay? So this number pattern has how many terms?
4 terms.
4 terms. 4 terms. So these terms are countable, finite. So this is finite number pattern. Right? So see, number of terms are finite. Right? Finite means countable. Right? ගණන් කරලා කීයද කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? 4ද 5ද 6ද කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So is called finite number pattern. Right? So please write down finite number pattern. Finite number pattern. Number pattern, right? see the next number pattern, right? So that is called infinite number pattern, right? See, this is my number pattern, right? So you can see now 3 first term, 6 second term, 9 third term, 12 fourth term, 15 fifth term, then I put dots, right? I put dots. So early one, finite one, no dots, right? එතකොට කලින් ලියපු එකේ මේ වගේ ඩොට් දාලා තිබුණේ නැහැ, right? ඒ කියන්නේ කලින් ලියපු finite number pattern එකේ term 4යිද 5යිද එතනින් ඉවරයි, right? So this number pattern is not finishing, right? So that is go on, right? So 3 6 9 12 15, right? Then 18 21, like that it is continuing, right? මේක ඉවර වෙන්නේ නැහැ, මේක දිගටම තියෙනවා. දිගටම තියෙනවා කියන්න තමා මෙන්න මේ වගේ ඩොට් දාලා ඉවර කරන්නේ, right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ලියන්නේ ඩොට් 3යි. okay, so you can put so many dots, no problem. okay, so this one, this number pattern has uncountable terms, right? So we can't count number of terms, can't count. okay, so that is called infinite number of terms. okay, so see another one, 45 40 35 30, then dot, right? So if you put dot means this pattern is continuing, right? This pattern is continuing. So we call that number of terms are infinite, right? Infinite number of terms, right? Number pattern has infinite number of terms, that is called infinite number pattern. okay, so you have to learn finite and infinite, right? So I think you understood what is the finite number pattern and infinite number pattern, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So please write down infinite number pattern. Now see, right? So this one. Now you can see the difference. okay, okay, this is my first number pattern, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, right? Then my second number pattern is 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma then dot, right? This is one type of number pattern, this is another type. What is this type?
Finite number pattern.
That is finite number pattern. This is finite number pattern, right? This pattern,
Infinite.
Infinite.
infinite number pattern,
Infinite.
right? So understood what is the difference between finite number pattern and infinite number pattern. okay, easy one, right? Right. Hi. Now we are going to write right, wait. This one. See, right. Now we are going to write the number pattern, right? See, I have given in word. Okay, now you can see the number pattern of even numbers. Okay, even numbers. between 1 and 10, right? And written in ascending order. Okay, so many condition, right? Specific method, right? What are the specific method? Even numbers between 1 and 10. Okay, order, ascending order, right? So can you tell me the terms? Alias, wait. Ayush,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me the terms?
5,
No, I want the term, not number of terms. What are the terms? First term,
2,
second term,
4,
third term,
6,
fourth term.
8.
Is there fifth term?
No.
No. Only between. See, between means you can't take 1 and you can't take 10. Okay, so even numbers. So this is the number pattern, right, Ayush? Good. 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? So these are the terms, right? So this number pattern is finite to infinite.
Finite.
That is finite number pattern, right? This is finite number pattern, right? So when explaining word, right? So you should able to write this type of terms. Okay, right. So I will get another one. See, this is my another number pattern, right? See, the number pattern of the multiples of 6, right? So this is the specific method. What is multiples of 6, right? So you know what are the multiples of 6, right? From 6 to 24, right? From 6 to 24. So be careful from 2, right? From 2 කියන එක වෙන කතාවක් ඈ. From 2, right? Written in ascending order, right? So it should be in ascending order, right? So who is Devusha?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell the terms?
Yes.
Only Devusha turn on the mic. Why others turn on the mic? ඇයි මේ අනිත් අය mic on කරගත්තේ? මම ඇහුවේ දෙවුෂගෙන් විතරයි. Devusha, can you tell me
Yes.
what is first term?
6.
6.
Yes.
Second term?
12.
Please tell loud.
12.
12. Third term?
18.
18. Fourth term?
25.
20.
24.
24. See. Right. So see here, right, there's a multiples of 6, right? So that means, okay, there's a multiples of 6. That means 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, like that. Okay. But this condition, what is a specific method? From 6 to 24. From 6 to 24 means you can take 6, you can take 6 but you can't take 24. You can't take 24. Understood? So these are the terms. Okay? එතකොට from to කිව්වාම මේ 2 කියන 24 ගන්න බෑ. right? එතකොට between කිව්වාම ඒ කියන දෙන්නාම ගන්නත් බෑ. හරිද? එතකොට from to කිව්වාම 6 අයිති 24 අයිති නෑ. නේ ඒ ගැන හොඳට මතක තියාගන්නට වෙනවා. right? එහෙනම් 6 times 1 6. 6 times 2 12. 6 times 3 18. So 24 you can't take. Right? So this is number pattern. Right? Only 3 terms. Finite. Okay? Right. Any question? No. Alright. So I'll take another pattern. Right? See? The number pattern of the multiples of 4. Okay? Multiples of 4. You know what are the multiples of 4? Right? 4 times 1, 4 times 2, like that? Right. Written in ascending order. Right? Only written in ascending order. Right. So, can you tell me, Dinitu, Dinitu,
Yes, sir.
tell me the first term. First term, hurry up.
4, 2, 2,
Second term,
4,
second term,
4,
right, right. First term is 4. That is correct. Second term,
6,
no, no, no. Here,
8,
multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Second term, hurry up.
8,
8.
8,
Third term,
12,
12. Fourth term,
16,
fifth term, චක්කරේ තමා ගැටලුව නේද? චක්කරේ පාඩම් කරන්න නේද? 4 වරක් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන නේද? දැන් 8 නේද? චක්කරේ පාඩම් කරන්න. right? right. Okay. Now see, right there. මේ බලන්න දැන් multiples of 4. Okay? Multiples of 4 written in ascending order. So you can write the terms like that. First term 4, 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 8, right? 4 into 3, 12, like that. But this one is not between or from 2. That means you have to put dots, right? You have to put dot. This is infinite number pattern. Okay? Infinite number pattern, right? So first one and second one, finite number patterns. This is infinite number pattern. Okay? Right. So shall we go to question number 3? Okay? Question number 3. Right? So try the question number 3. දැන් මට ෂෙයා කරන්න බෑ. මොකද මේ මැෂින් එකේ මගේ ওই ටියුට් එක නැහැ. right? ඒකින්ද මට ඒක ෂෙයා කරන්නට විදිහක් නැහැ. right? මම මේ මගේ ලැප් එක කැඩිලා මම ඒක නැවත හැදුවා. right? එතකොට මගේ පරණ තිබ්බ ඔය ටියුට් එකක්වත් දැන් මේකේ නැහැ මගේ. right? ඒකින්ද මට මේ ටියුට් එක ෂෙයා කරන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. හරිද? ඒකයි මම ටියුට් එක ගන්න කිව්වේ. right? එතකොට ඒවා තියෙන්නේ වෙන මගේ ඔයාලා දන්නේ නැති වෙන හાર્ඩ් එක තියෙන්නේ. right ඒක මට මේකට දාගන්න තාම කාලයක් කියන්නේ ක්‍රමයක් ලැබුණේ නැහැ right ඒකින්ද YouTube එක බලාගෙන තමයි කරන්නට වෙන්නේ right හරි question number 3 do hurry up third question Roman number 1 okay third question Roman number 1 right so tell me the answer Mihin 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 not answering why ah right Panselo
Yes, sir.
third Roman number 1 tell me the terms
2,
ah
4,
ah
8,
ah
etc. 8.
8 8 right so this is number pattern of even numbers between 0 and 10 right written in ascending order right so I showed that one early right මම මේක අත පෙර පෙන්නුවා right now Roman number 2 right Roman number 2 so can you tell me the answer Ojit
Yes, sir.
Roman number 2 tell me the terms
Sir, I have not heard you.
Roman number 2 why
Not you.
ඉතින් ඇයි ඔයාලා ඔය ටියුට් එක ගන්න නැත්තේ හරි පහන්
Yes, sir.
පහන් tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
terms
3,
huh yes 3
5,
ah
5,
5 ah
5, 7,
7
9.
9 ah odd numbers you know odd numbers right pan ebanda odd numbers between 1 and 10 ඒතකොට වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි මොකද්ද between 1 and 10 you can't take 1 and 10 right අයිති උනත් නැතත් ගන්න බෑ right so odd numbers you know what are the odd numbers right so 3, 5, 7, 9 only. Right. Roman number 3. Vimal. Roman number 3. Vimal. Roman number 3. Hurry up. Why Vimal? No. Right. Shenali. 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 Not answering. Shenuki. Shenuki. Oh, why? Shavin. Shavin.
සර් මට ටියුට් එක හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ.
ඒක තමයි දැන් වෙලා තියෙන ගැටලුව. නේද? Sharon. Sharon.
සර් ටියුට් එක නැහැ.
ගන්න දැන් මං කිව්වා මට වෙලා තියෙන වැඩේ මොකද මගේ මේ මැෂින් එකේ ටියුට් එක නැහැ. මේකින්ද මට ෂෙයා කරන්න විදියකුත් නැහැ. Right? Right. So I have nothing to do. You have to take the tune. නේ අරගන්න. Right. Yemita. Yemita.
Yes sir.
හරි ටියුට් එක තියනවනේ?
Yes sir.
එහෙනම් කියමු බලන්න Roman number 3.
8, 12, 16, 20, 24 dot.
Yemita. Roman number 3 කියන්නේ number pattern of even numbers. Okay? Even numbers greater than 4. Even numbers. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are the even numbers. Okay? Greater than 4. What is first term?
6,
6. Second term?
8,
8. Third term?
10.
10. Is it finished? Your other?
No sir.
Not finished. You have to put dot. Okay? So this is the right here with the number pattern of even numbers greater than 4. Even numbers, right? Greater than 4. So ascending order. Right? Ascending order. Right. So that is infinite number pattern. You have to put dot. Then Roman number 4. Okay? Roman number 4. So tell me the answer. Oh. Satmi got the dude? Satmi. දැන් ටියුට්
No,
එක
sir.
නැති හින්දා වගේ සත්මි ටියුට් එක දිනවද?
No, sir.
සත්මිත් අරගෙන නැහැ. ඒක තමයි දැන් ගැටලුව වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි, so I'll tell the answers. Right, මේ බලන්න. Roman number 4, right? Number pattern of prime numbers, right? Prime numbers starting 2, right? You know prime numbers. Number has only 2 factors, only 2 factors. So starting from 2, written in ascending order, right? So you have to start from 2. So first prime number is 2. What is second prime number?
3.
3. What is third prime number?
5.
5. What is fourth prime number?
7.
7. So this is ascending order, not finished. So put dot. Infinite number pattern, right? Then Roman number 5. See, Roman number 5. The number pattern is starting from 3, right? See, important one. Number pattern is starting from 3, right? See, 3. Then followed by the terms 2 and 3. See, followed by the terms 2 and 3. See, 2 and 3. Okay? Written alternately. Written alternately. Alternately කියලා කියන්නේ මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට. Right? Alternately කියන්නේ මොකක්ද අපි? මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට. එහෙනම් 2 3 මාරුවෙන් මාරුවට ලියන්න ඕන. Right? Alternately. So they say starting from 3. Then start from 3. Then you have to write 2. Right? Then comma 3. Then comma 2. Right? Like that. It is continuing. Right? So alternately means, right? You have to change 2 terms, 2 and 3, alternately, starting from 3, 3 2, 3 2, 3 2, 3 2, like that. It is continuous, right? So that is also a number pattern. Okay, right. तर අනිත් අය ටියුට් එක අරගන්න. එතකොට තමයි මේකේ දේවල් කරන්නට පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. හරි. Now we go to the second part of the lesson, right? So second part of the lesson has this one. See, right? So write the topic. General term of a number pattern. General term of a number pattern. Right? Okay? Right. So this general term is a new thing to you. Right? මේක ඔයාලට අලුත් දෙයක්. ඒ බලන්න. General term. Right? So this general term is, right? First I'm going to discuss general term of multiples of numbers. Okay? Multiple of numbers. Then I go to odd numbers. Then square numbers. Then triangle numbers. Like that. හරිද? මෙන්න මේ general term කියන එක හොයන්න යන්නේ මම ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මොනවලද? Multiples of numbers. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ multiples of 2, multiples of 3, like that. Then I go to odd numbers. Odd numbers වල general term එකක් හොයනවා. ඊට පස්සේ square numbers, right? Then triangular numbers. අන්න ඒ වලත් general term එකක් ගැන හොයන්නයි යන්නේ. හරි? So write first one, multiple of numbers. Multiple of numbers. Okay, right. Now see, right? Multiple of numbers. Multiple of numbers වල මම හොයන්න යන්නේ ඔන්න ඔය general term කියන එක. Right? See. So my first multiple is this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. Right? So what is the multiple?
2.
What is the multiple?
2.
Multiple of 2, right? Multiple of 2, right? එතකොට මේකේ මේ බලන්න. What is this term? Which term?
First term.
First term. This is
Second term.
second term.
Third term.
Third term. Fourth term.
Fourth term, right? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay? So general term is term written in nth place, right? That means nth term. මේ බලන්න ඔක තේරෙනවද කියලා? This is first term. Okay? This is second term. හරිද? Right? එතන මේ බලන්න. First term 2, second term 4, third term 6, like that. ඔහොම ලියාගෙන ගියාම අපි n වෙනි තැනකට n කියලා කියන්නේ නම් symbol එකක්. right? n වෙනි තැනට ලියන term එකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද? right? Term written in nth place. Right? Term written in nth place. That is called general term. හරිද? මේ බලන්න. පළවෙනි තැනට first term එකට ලියන්නේ 2. right? Second term එකට second place එකට ලියන්නේ 4. right? Third place එකට ලියන්නේ 6. ඕජිත්යි third place එකට ලියන්නේ 6. right? Fourth place එකට ලියන්නේ 8. ඔය වගේ දිගටම ලියාගෙන ගියාම n වෙනි තැනට ලියන කෙනෙක් වෙනවා. මේ කියන්නේ අපි සාධාරණව general, right? අන්නේ n වෙනි තැනට ලියන එක්කෙනාට තමයි කියන්නේ කවුරු කියලාද? nth term or general term. right? අන්නේ යාව තමයි හොයන්නට යන්නේ. right? So we consider the pattern. මේ බලන්න pattern. First term. Okay? First term. Right? Now multiple. What is the multiple? 2, 4, 6, 8 means multiple of 2. right? මේක හදලා තියෙන්නේ මොකෙන්ද? multiple of 2. එහෙනම් first term එක අරගන්නවා මම multiple of 2. right? මේ බලන්න first term එක මට ඕන 2. right? එහෙනම් මම ලියන්න වෙන්නේ 2 times first term 1. 2 times 1 2. first term එක හරි. Now I write the second term. Second term. ලියන්නේ කාගෙන්ද? multiple of 2. 2 times second term 2. 2 into 2 4. හරි. second term එක හම්බුණා. නේ? You can write the third term. Third term written by multiple of 2. right? 2 into third term 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. Then third term එකක් ලැබුණා. නේ? Now you got the pattern. Right? Pattern. Now see, multiple of 2. Right? First term, 2 into 1. Second term, 2 into 2. Third term, 2 into 3. Right? So you can write n term. n term. n වෙනියට දෙන එක කියලාම ලියුවේ. කොහමද? 2 into what? 2 into what?
In.
2 into n. 2 into n. මේ බලන්න නෙමෙයි. First term multiple එකකට 2 into 1. First term. Second term 2 into 2. Second term. Third term 2 into 3. Right? Like that. Nth term 2 into n. Right? So this one you can write without this multiplication sign 2n. 2n. This is called general term. General term. Right? එතකොට මේ තියෙන්නේ කාගේ general term එකක්ද? Multiple of 2. Right? Number pattern multiple of 2 starting 2. Starting 2. So this is the general term. එතකොට මේ pattern එක ඔහොමම ලියාගෙන ගියාම n වෙනි තැනට කවුරු කියලාද ලියන්නේ? 2n. 2n. That is the general term. Understand? Right. Now I go to another pattern. Right? See, another pattern. Same thing is doing, huh? Same thing is doing. See, my second pattern is this one. 3, 6, 9, 12 like that. Right? See, 3, 6, 9, 12 like that. So this is my pattern. So what is this pattern? What is multiple? What is the multiple?
3.
Multiple of 3. Right? Multiples of 3. Now I'm going to construct pattern. මම දැන් යන්නේ pattern එකක් හොයන්න. Right? Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Now I write the first term. Multiple of 3. First term is 3 into 1. 3 into 1, 3. Mean first term එක හරි. 3 into 1, 3. Second term. 3 into multiple is 3. Second term is 3 into 2. 6. That's okay. Third term. Multiple is 3. 3 into 3. Third term is 5. Okay. So this one continuous. Right. Then I can write the nth term. How to write the nth term? 3 into
N.
n. 3 into n. Right? First term 3 into 1. Second term 3 into 2. Third term 3 into 3. Nth term 3 into n. Now general term is you can write 3n. Right? So this is the general term or nth term of multiples of 3. But starting from 3. Right? Starting from 3. That is important. Right? Next pattern. Right? My next pattern is this one. See? Cut. 4, 8, 12, like that. Right? So, what is the multiple?
4.
Multiple of 4. How to write the first term? How to write the first term? 4 times. 4 times
1.
1. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Right? 4 times 1 is 4. You get the first term. Now you can write the nth term. Nth term. 4 times 'n'. 4 times n. That is 4n. Right? That is the general term. Right? So you need pattern 4 times 1. You understood? Now you can write the nth term. 4 times n. 4n. Right? That is the general term. Any question? Multiples of numbers. Right. Now we are going to find the general term of the odd number pattern. So write the topic. General term of odd number pattern. General term of odd number pattern. Odd number pattern. Right. Now see. Right. Now see. Odd number patterns. Right. So I'll write the first few odd numbers. First odd number is 1. Right? Comma. Second odd number is 3. Third odd number 5. 7. Like that. Right? These are the first terms. First term 1. Second term 3. Right? Fourth term, third term 5. 7 like that. So I want to find the nth term. Right? General term. Nth term. Nth term එකට තමයි කවුරු කියලා කියන්නේද? General term. Right? This is how to find the general term. See? So can you tell me what is the difference? Difference between 1 and 3. What is the difference? Can't tell. Difference is 2, right? Difference between 1 and 3. මේ දෙන්න අතර difference එක කීයද? 2, right? Difference is 2. What is the difference between 3 and 5?
2.
That is also 2, right? Difference between 5 and 7?
2.
That
2.
is also 2, right? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ 1 3 5 7 කියන odd number pattern එක යන්නේ මෙන්න මේ difference එක කියන multiple of 2 වලින්, right? Multiple of 2. එහෙනම් මම ලියනවා first term, right? First term එක ලියන්නේ කාගෙන්ද? Multiple of 2, right? 2 times 1, right? Difference එක 2. ඒකින්ද මම ලියන්නේ multiples of 2. First term නම් 2 times 1. What is 2 times 1?
1.
කවුද කියලා දෙන්නේ 2 times 1 කියන්නේ 1 කියලා? 2 times 1 2.
2.
2 times 1 2. හැබැයි අපිට ඕන first term එක හැටියට කවුද? කවුද ඕන?
1.
1.
1.
We need 1. So how to take the 1? Add or subtract number. මේතනින් හම්බෙන්නේ 2 times 1 වලින් 2. හැබැයි අපිට ඕන 1. එහෙනම් 2 වලින් ගානක් add කරන්න ඕනද? subtract කරන්න ඕනද?
Subtract කරන්න.
Subtract. How many?
1.
1. 1 subtract. මේ බලන්න 2 times 1 වලින් ලැබෙන්නේ 2. අපිට ඕන කරන්නේ first term එක 1. So subtract 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. එහෙනම් first term එක ලැබුණා. Right? Now I write that step. Right? 2 times 1, 2. Subtract 1. Okay? Then I write second term. Right? See? Second term. How to write the second term? Multiple is 2. Right? Second term is 2 into 2. What is the number? 2 into 2?
4.
4. But I need 3. So subtract 1. Okay? 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 1. I get 3. Right. Now I'll write third term also. Third term. 2 times third term 3. Right? 2 times third term is 3. 2 times 3, 6. I need 5. Subtract 1. 6 minus 1, 5.
5.
So I get the third term. Right. Now you understood the pattern. Now you can write nth term. Nth term. How to write the nth term? 2 times what? 2 times
N.
n. 2 times n. Here, subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. Right? මේක හදාගත්තේ pattern එක බලන්න. Right? So this is the nth term. So what is the now general term? General term you can write without multiplication. Right? Without multiplication means 2n minus 1. Right? So 2n minus 1 is the general term of odd number pattern starting from 1. Right? එතකොට 1 වලින් පටන් ගන්න odd number pattern එකේ general term එක කවුද? 2n minus 1. Understood? Right? Then we'll see next number pattern. That is, see, this is the next number pattern. Right? Write the topic. General term of the square number pattern. Square number pattern. Okay? Square number pattern. So I think you can remember square number pattern, right? So using dot pattern, we draw the square numbers. So I'll show you this one, right? See, these are the square numbers, right? First see, first one, first square number, right? Only one dot. Square කියන්නේ හැම පැත්තටම එකම ගානක් තියෙන්න බෑනේ. First square number is this one. See, right? So how to get the pattern? 1 into 1, right? So that is 1, right? Now see the second square number. Second. This side 2, this side 2. 2 into 2. Second square number is 4, right? See the third square number. Third. This side 3, this side 3. How many dots? 3 into 3, 9. Right? So this is the third square number. Right? Fourth square number, 4, 4. 4 into 4, 16. Fourth square number. Fifth, 5 into 5, 25. 6 square number, 6 into 6, right? Here, 36 dots. So this is the sixth square number. See 7, 7 into 7, that is 49. Okay. See the eighth square number, this side 8 dot, this side 8 dot. This is a square. So here 64 dots. So 64 is the eighth square number. Okay. So here ninth square number is also there. Right. So this is dot pattern. Right. Now you can see the pattern. Pattern. First square number 1 into 1. Second square number 2 into 2. Third square number 3 into 3. Fourth square number 4 into 4. Fifth square number 5 into 5. Understood? Right? Now see, first square number. Right? How to get? 1 into 1. Right? Second square number. 2 into 2. Right? Third square number. Third square number. How to take? 3 into 3. So like that, you can continue. N square number. We want nth one. Appi want nth ekkenani. Neda? Right? How to take the nth one? Me balana pattern එක. 1 into 1. Remember the index? Index. 1 to the power. But 1 into 1. 1 to the power
2.
2. 2 into 2. 2 to the power
4.
2 into 2. 2 to the power
4.
2. 2 into 2. 2 2 times. 2 to the power 2. 3 into 3. 3 to the power
2.
right. Current එක ගියා off වෙයි. right. එතකොට අපි අනිත් දවසේ කරන්නේ හරිද? right. current එක ගින්ද off වෙනවා. අනිත් දවසේ කරමු. right. God bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you, sir.
Bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.